Hey everyone, welcome to this week's Just the Tip. My name is Corey McDougald with Meat and Potatoes Organizing. And today I just want to talk about your home. How does your home make you feel? If you had to rate your home, maybe 1 out of 10, 10 being amazing, how does your house make you feel? And then I also want you to think, how do I want to feel in my house? That's the next question that we don't often get to. So if you want to come home and relax in a sanctuary and you want it to be a 10 out of 10, like a place where you can come to just be with your family, cook your meals, relax, have a little bit of downtime. I know we're all so busy this day and age. It's constant go, go, go. But creating that nice space where you feel comfortable, relaxed, stress-free maybe, I think that's an amazing goal. And I truly believe that everyone should be able to have that in their home, at least some space in their home. They should be able to feel that way. That's our place where we go to recover. That's where we sleep. It's where we eat most of the time. And it's where we're just letting our nervous system downregulate and relax. So this week, my tip is let's dive a little bit deeper into A, how does your house make you feel? And B, how do you want your home to make you feel? And then a little bit deeper is how can we get there? And I'm guessing here at Meat and Potatoes Organizing, we have quite a bit of experience helping people get to that spot in their house. And so if you're having troubles thinking, how will I create that sanctuary, that nice place, please reach out in the comments. Be happy to help out. We also offer a complimentary consultation just to kind of go through your house and figure out where we can kind of optimize your space. Would be very happy to help out. I know right now, personally, I feel like an 8 out of 10 in my house, and I would love for it to be a 10 out of 10. So I'm going to carve a little time to just refine my own systems. And we have plenty of systems in place. So everybody, I think, can benefit from this and just improving your experience in your own home. It's all about finding joy and just creating that great space. So that's what I want you to work on this week. And next week, I will see you for another Just the Tip.